Hello my friends, it's NG World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you her real age is 95 but looks 20 years younger with this simple ingredients, removes wrinkles and fills fine lines naturally. It's a fine lines filler without botox or any kind of chemicals, that it's super effective and super helpful. The first ingredient we need to add is 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. Here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use natural aloe vera gel instead. Then we need 1 lemon, and lemon is high in vitamin C and super effective in removing wrinkles and fine lines. And mix well the ingredients. Then we need to add apple cider vinegar. Add just 1 teaspoon. Then we need to add half teaspoon or less of baking soda. Now my friends, with an aid of cotton ball, dip in the cotton ball into the remedy and apply it on the wrinkles like so. Massage the skin with it and leave it on your skin for overnight. It's going to remove the wrinkles and fine lines and will get you looking 20 years younger than your age. Your skin will thank you for this remedy. It is super effective in removing wrinkles and fine lines naturally. With this simple ingredient, is super effective. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video a big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.